So today I'm gonna draw one of the bounce back characters, Sydney's. Just the eyes, pencil, ink, and Copic markers. I'm gonna try to do it in a couple minutes. Okay, if I cheated, I'm sorry. Okay, because every time I post Sydney's, also I get pretty great feedback. So she's a photogenic character. I think because of her eyes, she got the really strong, a little cat, eyelid. And then I'm gonna go for maybe eyes looking other side, yeah, something like that. Okay. Right, and this side too. I mess up this side all the time, so am I gonna do it again? I try not to use eraser when I draw pencil today. Oh, I think I did it. Yeah, equally matched. Good. So I'm gonna ink. I'm penciling her face line, stuff like that, but today I'm just gonna ink in only her eyes and Copic marker. Only her eyes, okay? Because I want to do everything in a couple minutes. So let's see if I can do, okay? I'll keep it like this. Oh, I think this eye can go slightly bigger. Okay, go like. And I'm gonna do 005. Maybe I should ink here in the face line. See, I'm changing already. Am I gonna speed up some part? Okay. Right. So when I draw sketches, especially like eyelid, takes a kind of while because I go not just one line. I have to go, go through again and again. And I don't want to use really thick pen for that. I want to just show really sensitive, delicate facial feature. So I really want to go through. Yeah, really careful. See, I'm already inking her nose and lips. I can't do just the eyes, even though I said so. Okay, go. Just like this eyelid, it's just so strong and then kawaii same time. It's playful too, don't you think? Kind of matched her personality. If you read Bounce Back, I think you know what I meant. But let's see. Okay, so I gotta be careful. I'm not usually like a bubbled stuff like that. I ink that part, but today I'm not doing it. Okay, here you go, the heart shape here. Whoa, I think I sort of messed up a little. Okay, I love coloring. Oh, it's like a cloud. Because this is my most favorite part. I can just keep doing again. Ever since I was a child. And sometimes I copied my favorite manga characters and I send it to manga magazines. And if you get picked, your drawing get picked, your illustration showed up on just the left side of the the magazine of the manga story. What am I trying to say? Wow, I'm losing. I gotta go. Gotta go a little dark part here too. See, I'm using a 3 layered, so it gets delicate part. Whoops. But let's see. I think this is good. I'm gonna use really thin, fine pen 005. It's a Copic multi-liner. And I'm gonna just sort of like make the eyes more. Oh, can you see? Yeah, maybe I should just change the angle. I forget doing that. Okay, like this. I think I'm doing over a couple minutes already. Just want to add a little shadow to just, you know, make her eyes stand out. Okay, a little bit more here. I want to add color. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's not gonna be hopefully too much. Okay, yay!